Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you an easy recipe for chicken fried rice that works with whatever you have at home and you can tailor to whatever you prefer. I'll show you how as we go along. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 5 cups of cooked rice. I'm using leftover rice because the texture of leftover rice works best for fried rice. But if you're making fresh rice, then you can cook 1 cup of raw rice and dry it out a bit. About 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger, and 1.5 cups of cooked chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken here, but you can go with whatever you have on hand. Then 1 egg and salt, turmeric and chili powder to season the egg. And you need a 1/4 cup each of julienne carrots and chopped capsicum and chopped spring onion whites. From about 5 to 7 spring onion stalks. You can chop the spring onion greens from those stalks and set them aside for garnish. And finally about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and sauces to flavor the fried rice, for which you need soy sauce, chili vinegar, chili garlic, chili sauce and oyster sauce. Now I personally prefer to not add all the sauces at once and add it in 2 parts so as to ensure to flavor all the components well, and I suggest you do the same. But that is why even before I start putting together the fried rice, I divide the sauces in 2 bowls, which makes it really easy for me later to just add them in and not measure one by one at that time. Here in the first bowl, I have 1/2 tablespoon each of all the sauces: soy sauce, chili vinegar, chili garlic sauce, oyster sauce and chili sauce or sriracha. And in the second bowl, I have 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, chili garlic sauce and chili sauce, and 1/2 tablespoon each of chili vinegar and oyster sauce. Then I just quickly mix the sauces together. And with this done, it's time to start making the fried rice, for which in a wok lightly heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in 2 tablespoons each of chopped ginger and garlic and lightly roast it for 2 to 3 minutes till the ginger and garlic start to change color. Then add in 1 chopped green chili and lightly roast it for 30 seconds or so. And then add in the veggies. I have added a 1/4 cup each of carrots and capsicum because that's what I usually have on hand. You can go with whatever you have available or prefer. I have also added in chopped spring onion whites and reserved the greens for later. And here I'd say the one substitution to avoid is onions for spring onion whites. Just go with spring onion whites and not onions. Mix well and saute this on medium-high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes till the veggies get lightly cooked. And then add in the 1.5 cups of cooked chicken. Like I said earlier, I have used rotisserie chicken, but you can go with whatever you prefer or have on hand. But at this point, add in the first bowl of sauces containing 1/2 tablespoon each of soy, chili vinegar, oyster, chili garlic and chili sauce. Mix it in and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken soaks in the sauces. Then simultaneously, as you saute the veggies and chicken, in a bowl break an egg and season it with 1/8 teaspoon of salt and turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and beat it to mix it all together. Then in a small pan, lightly heat up about 3/4 tablespoon of oil and add in the egg mix. Cook it for a couple of minutes and scramble it as it gets cooked. When it's done, add it to the wok and mix it in. Some even just cook and scramble the egg in the main wok itself, just shifting the veggies and chicken to one side and scrambling the eggs in the other side. And you can do that too. I just prefer to do it in another pan. And here of course you can go with more than 1 egg. I often put up to 3 eggs and spice it accordingly. Now add in the 5 cups of cooked rice. The second bowl of sauces containing a tablespoon each of soy, chili garlic and chili sauce and 1/2 tablespoon each of chili vinegar and oyster sauce. About 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it all together. And finally the spring onion greens and mix it in. And now cover and cook for about 5 minutes or so on medium flame, just until the rice gets lightly steamed and fluffs up a bit. And there you have it, chicken fried rice is ready. As you saw, this is a very versatile dish. You can make this recipe as is or use this as a base recipe and substitute based on your preferences. You can also go with only veggies, only eggs, only chicken, or any combination you prefer. Just adjust the amount of salt and sauces accordingly. The one thing I recommend not substituting are the sauces, but that's it. Pair this fried rice with a drink or a side of your choice and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!